Hi, you guys, and welcome to my new channel, Kiki's Kitchen, by yours truly, Keisha Dream. And today, I'm going to show you how to make jalapeno and pepper jack cheese stuffed sliders. That's right, I got the Hawaiian rolls here. Now, some of these ingredients can sub for whatever you want, but ultimately, I'm going to show you how to stuff a burger. Now, you're going to preheat your skillet. Yeah, simple enough, right? And you're going to use about maybe a half a pound of ground beef. Now, the garlic is optional, but my basic ingredients are salt, pepper, and garlic, always. Now, I only use about a pinch of seasoning of each of pepper, and I'm going to show you really quick what a pinch is in my definition. There you go. Maybe no more than that. And then I'm just going to add my garlic. Okay, already pre-diced. Now I'm going to mix that up really good with my hands, really get in there. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Okay, so this is the really important part here. You're going to pinch off maybe a palmful. That's going to be one burger there, right? Okay, and then you're going to split that in half. So you have a top patty and a bottom patty. Okay, and you flatten them both out and you begin the stuffing. You can stuff whatever type of cheese you want, but in this case, I'm going to use my pepper jack cheese and my jalapenos, right? Okay, so you pick a patty, start stuffing it neatly in the center. Okay, then you take that bottom patty and you sort of seal it around. Make it nice and neat, and there you go. Now you guys, this next part is completely optional, but what I like to do is kind of toast my buns. I feel like it kind of makes the burger taste better, the crispy buns. As you can see, you turn it over, nice and crispy. Now you can add garlic to this and really get crazy with it with parsley, but I just did simple butter. If you make a mistake, it's okay. It's really, really easy to fix. Now, I like to take a little bit of ground beef off of the edges. Be careful not to get to the heart of the stuffing area where you stuffed all your ingredients. Make kind of a little patch to the side. And what you're going to do, what you're going to see as soon as I bring the camera around is I pinch the hole close. As you can see, I kind of pinch the ground beef up forward and slowly close the hole. And what you're going to see next is I'm going to take my patch, that's going to be my little patch, and I'm going to patch the hole close, like so. Now when your burgers are done and you have guests, I recommend using like lettuce and tomato and pickle, but this is just tonight's dinner, so I just, some ketchup and some mayonnaise, and there you go.
Mm.